Hello my beautiful peeps, how you all going today? Janine here again guys, rocking it out for my beautiful, gorgeous and amazing over 40s here in Auckland, New Zealand guys. So this morning I wanted to create this gorgeous fast as look, on the go look, using my new Dominique Cosmetics Transition Palette. I love it. Oh, it's gorgeous. All matte guys, and very fast to create when you're going to work. So if you want to see how I did this gorgeous eye look, please keep watching. Mwah. Janine here again guys, rocking it out in Auckland, New Zealand guys, especially for my over 40s. If nobody knows me out there, I'm Janine and I'm 44 years young guys, you gotta remember that. And I like to rock it out on my channel for my beautiful over 40s, show us how to look all gorgeous and beautiful, get ready with me, just how to glow really, and yeah, that's what I'm all about. And I love you guys. Yeah, I truly do. So today guys, I'm going to create you a beautiful, wearable, gorgeous, possibly, oh shit, possibly smoked out look. Something lovely to wear to work using the new Dominique Cosmetics Transition Palette. And I love this, it's all matte guys, and beautiful, and it's gorgeous, perfect for us, you know, when you need something that has to be fast and easy and will look good in a flash. Perfect palette. Kind of reminds me of, you know, my KKW beauties. So that's what I'm going to be doing for you guys today. Now I've already done my hair and stuff. I don't want to bore you guys with that shit anymore, so yeah, I've bobby pinned, but I still need more. My broken edges that are going on up there, and then I'm going to spray it. But let's get the skin done really fast, because I do like showing you guys my skin routine, what I do in the mornings. I think that's really important. So let's do this. Still using my Victoria Beckham and that Augustinus Batis at night time. If you watch my other video, I said to you I would only use that at night because, you know, the price is a bit pricey. Yeah, and yeah, I love this brand. JLo Beauty, awesome. So we've got her serum, that JLo Glow, because I want that JLo Glow. So let's chuck that on, and yeah, some cream, and then we'll rip into it. 2 pumps. Yeah, I really like this serum, and I didn't want to skip, I did not want to skip showing you guys what I'm using for skincare, because I reckon it's so important, the skincare before even makeup really, because your skin's shit guys, you know. Next up I am going to use that Blockbuster Wonder Cream. Now this is the main moisturizer in her line, and I love it. It's really thick. See, it's really thick. Lovely stuff. Feels very rich. Just a little bit, and then I'm going to put on some of that SPF because we need it. Yeah, this is going to be a very fast look guys. I gotta go. Okay, so I want to use some of her SPF. I've got some lovely SPFs to show you guys as well. So this is a good one. I do find though, with this and her serum mixed together, I don't know what it is. I wonder if it'll do it today, but it kind of, how do you say it, sheds? Maybe I'm putting on too much, but hopefully it won't happen today. I've got to actually hit her up about that. And I hit JLo up about that in an email. Okay my peeps, so a bit of foundation. Shit, this one here just doesn't want to listen, Mcgrath Foundation, Skin Fetish Sublime Perfection. 4 pumps. Very fast look, perfect for us mummies on the go. What do you guys think? I love that foundation. It's just so sheer, easy to work with. Get into those inner corners. I wonder if I should put some concealer on. Yeah, well, man, I gotta sort my drawers out, I fucking can't find anything. So I'm gonna use my Tart Shape Tape. Not used this in a while. I still love this stuff. Just a little bit. Oh, love this stuff. Just to, you know, I'm not trying to be extra. I just want to get rid of those bloody bags, to be honest. Because yeah, your girl has not been maintaining myself. Sorry guys, but it wasn't recording. So I just blended, well, brushed out that concealer under my eyes. Don't worry if it looks like this, we're going to bang it out, push it out actually without beauty blender, which I'll do now. See that, guys? Perfect. Bit of powder now. And of course I'm going to go with my Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish Powder. So the powder, guys, is just to, for me, it's to stop the creasing and also stops that tacky feeling that I really hate. That's it, my peeps. Flawless base done. So let's rip into this eye look real fast, eh? Dominique Cosmetics. I love her stuff. I've got quite a few of her palettes. This is a new one, the Transition Palette, and I think this is a great one for us on the go. You can make a very fast, smoky ass eye using this. Look at all those natural nudies in there. They're all mattes, which is great because I love mattes. So let's get in there. I'm going to go for it's a Transition Caramel. This one here. It's nice and light. So much pigment too. Let's get up there. What a beautiful colour. I love that. Okay, next one we're going to go for, guys, is I'm looking, I don't even know what kind of a look. I'm going to go for Hazelnut here. Yeah. Hazelnut looks very nice and natural. Ooh. And this is going to go, I think, all over this. Nice, eh? Very easy. 2 colours. Nice and fast. I've got to get going. So I do want to smoke out the outer a bit, as I do. So I'm going to use coffee beans for that dark brown. See what that does. Oh, nice. And her eyeshadows smell really nice. Nice. Let's put on some more of that hazelnut one, just in the on top, and blend. And I'm happy as with that. Use finger to clean up. I really like this palette. It's all matty. Can't go wrong with mattes, eh? All my beautiful shimmers. Now, if anyone knows me, you know I like to blast up the bottom lash line with some colour. So I'm going to use Coffee Bean for that. This one here. Just a bit. This brush is shit. Fucking Nikita and Morphe one. I usually give all this crap like this to my kids. That's all I have time for. But what do you think? What do you think? I love it. Love, love, love. Wipe down your eyebrows because we have put that SPF on, eh? You can see it's whitened it to kind of castiness. Let's get that done. Okay, my peeps, let's get the eyebrows done using my Anastasia browers. Let's go. Yeah, that's going to show. What I have to do. Okay, I love this Pat McGrath Permagel eyeliner in black. It's awesome. Now the reason I just do the inner corner with eyeliner is because my eyes are tiny, and yeah, when I do the whole lot, sometimes it looks good, but when I do the whole lot, my eyes look smaller for some bloody reason. Okay, some bronzer. Okay, my peeps, for bronzer, I'm going to use my beautiful Hourglass Ambient Lighting Palette Volume 2. I love this one. It's amazing. So I'm going to use that one there, the last darker one. Let's get that on. I could actually just swatch the whole lot. Not too much, that'll do. Here my peeps, for blush I'm going to use my new Rare Beauty Nearly Neutral cream blush. Let's see how this goes. So many fantastic things about these. Put your finger in there. Oh, that's nice. That's really nice. Oh my gosh, they're so creamy. Tap it out, guys. Tap it out. Oh, this is beautiful blush. It's not like the liquid one that you've got to be very careful with. It's very, it feels not very opaque. So, you know, across my nose. Oh, I love it. What do you guys think? Really gives just a little bit of colour. Yeah, booming. Okay, my peeps, for highlighter, I'm going to go for my Bobbi Brown Shimmer Brick Compact in bronze. So let's see what this can do for us. It's like that. It's so beautiful, and I'm just going to swirl it all together, eh? You can just choose colour, but really nice, really nice. Next, let's put in a bit of setting spray, and we'll get, yeah, close your eyes. Okay, last but not least, my peeps, to do this look up, I'm going to put on some of my Kimmy K lip gloss and Classic Kim. Hope it's not too light for me. Ooh. Yeah, that looks nice, eh? Yeah, I'm getting back, I'm actually starting to get into my nudies. Okay, last thing guys, mascara. I've got my Pat McGrath Dark Star Mascara. I love this one. Let's get up in there. You know, that gives a nice feathery kind of mascara look. What do you think of a girl, guys? And I'm going to chuck on that ponytail later. Oh, I might touch up my hairline actually. Yeah, I'm going to touch up my hairline using some Rita Hazan spray. Just quickly. Oh shit. Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh well. See how clean and tidy the spray makes? I love it. Okay guys, you gotta go. So thank you all for watching, and you have a gorgeous, beautiful day.